Yo, welcome to Level Up XP Outdoors. We're here at Huntington Lake to fish for some kokanees. It's that time again. My cousin was here yesterday. He caught his limit really quick. Today, we're here to kill it. You better get yours really quick by the end of this month. We're not gonna hit no more. Damn, water's pretty high. Beautiful. Oh, right there, see? They're swimming right there. You can see them swimming right down there. Damn, dude, they're already red and so, man. I know, I want some eggs. Dude, it sucks to see them and not be able to catch them. No, I'm just gonna... Yeah, they're getting bad already. They're still good to eat. Well, not the white ones. And the ones you caught yesterday were all pretty good, or were still pretty good. Yeah, you can... Yeah, I can see them swimming in the water. See if we can catch them for fun.
I used to fish them up there, right under the bridge.
Well, last year we started under the bridge, but last year the water was lower, so the current was really strong. Let's see, today is the 23rd. Man, yeah. We have to start hitting it up like early October. So Billy, man, this is Billy's technique, man. This is Billy fishing. Balling nozzle. No. Oh. Oh my God.
Man, these hits don't feel like trout hits at all, dude. They're too soft, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that. Hey, that's a snack, fool. That don't count, fool.
That counts.
That's a snack, fool. Look.
I know that's a snag. I thought as long as it's the gills and head, it counts. Huh? It does?
Lava. Yeah. Yeah, it's up there. It counts.
Oh yeah, as long as it's gills and up, huh?
Yep. I'm gonna fucking stomach right in.
Oh, it's a male. That's the rule, right? As long as it gives and up counts, right, Tal? Legally. The female, the head's not as it's not as sharp, right? Oh, I lost it. Two phones on the other side.
You don't even know if it bit or not?
Nope. So light. Oh no, 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 you're a female, I want you nicely. Oh no, no. See, it's a female. All the eggs are coming out. I want to eat some eggs. This one's not that bad. The female's not that bad. A little red on the top. Oh, that one's still good too.
It's a female. No. I'm surprised that they were biting off the corn.
Yeah, last year was mostly just corn, huh? Fish on.
I did this all day.
Male. See all the milt coming out? Fish sperm. Pretty big one. There it goes. That's male. 2 phones across. Huh? 3? I got 3, Tal got 3. Yeah, that's the spot. He just tossed it over to our side. I like to use an improved clinch knot. Two phone can't still get a hook set in.
L4, right? L. 4, right?
Tao's in the lead.
Female.
Ooh, 4 no. Five, baby. Oh! That's fish from over
Gee, last fish in your lonely. This is fucking snag. That one's white. So this was a quick trip right after work. We were able to put in about 1.5 hours of fishing before sunset. 3 people, 10 fish. Using night crawlers. Thank you for watching Level Up XP Outdoors. I'll see you again. So whatever that fish was, pike minnow or a smaller trout.